Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the bike and loosening the clamp bolts so the saddle can move. This gives you control and prevents sudden drops. Use the correct hex key, typically 5 mm or 6 mm, and back bolts off evenly so the rails free up. Once the bolts are slack, slide the saddle forward or lift it out if replacing. Make sure to note current tilt and setback with a marker or tape. Those numbers speed reinstallation and preserve fit. Now you set saddle height and fore/aft position because those determine comfort and power transfer. Raise or lower the seat post to your target height, then slide the saddle rails and the clamp to match the recorded setback. This restores pedaling geometry. Center the rails so the saddle is laterally straight. Tighten bolts gradually and alternately to the torque spec. Too loose lets it slip, too tight can bend rails. Once snug, sit and test one pedal stroke to confirm. Finish by fine-tuning tilt and confirming everything holds under load. Adjust saddle angle in small increments. Flat or a touch nose down usually works, because small changes affect pressure points. Take a short test ride of 10 to 15 minutes, then recheck bolt torque and your original measurement marks. If the saddle slips later, stop and address it. Re-grease the seat post or rails sparingly, confirm clamp compatibility, and use a torque wrench to reach spec. That fixes most slipping issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.